we are celebrating the best of Irish produce here with my next recipe. So Kelly's of Newport and Ballymaloe combined to create my black pudding infused sausage rolls. I remember making these at home for my family last Christmas and they were demolished in no time at all. So I have no doubt that you and yours will enjoy them just as much this festive period. So in my bowl here, I have got 450 grams of Kelly's of Newport sausage meat, and to this I'm adding in 280 grams of very roughly chopped black pudding, again from Kelly's of Newport, and they are celebrating 90 years in business this year, so that is amazing. Congratulations to everybody over at Kelly's of Newport, just over the road of course. And finally in my bowl here I'm adding in 3 cloves of freshly chopped or minced garlic. And just to bring it all together, a little pinch of sea salt goes a long way. Okay, so it's time to get the hands in here. So I'm gonna roll up the sleeves, take off the rings. And at this point, if you've little kiddies at home, they would absolutely love this. So getting their hands in, getting messy. So we're just very simply gonna combine everything really, really well. We want to make sure that we have some black pudding, some garlic, some sausage meat in every single bite. So as always, my oven is preheating behind me at 200 degrees Celsius, and that is really, really important. And as well, I've got my tray ready to go. So just a flat baking tray lined with baking parchment as well. So if you want to go and make your own puff pastry, by all means, if you have the patience to do so, but I prefer shop bought. So I just picked up a fresh roll of just rolled puff pastry and I placed it on some baking parchment. Now the baking parchment is key because it's going to help us to roll the sausage rolls up and keep it nice and compact and nice and tight. Okay, so first things first, I'm adding in a good tablespoon of Ballymaloe relish. This is a staple in every household in Ireland, I think. And I'm just going to spread this out along one long edge. And to this then, I'm adding in my sausage meat, my black pudding and my garlic mixture. So we're going to try and pack it really tightly, or as tightly as we can. So trying to roll it as compactly as possible. So using that baking parchment as your aid, just simply roll it in on top of itself, making sure that it's really tightly packed. So one final roll over. So we're taking a very sharp knife and then we're just going to simply cut it into mini sausage rolls. Sausage rolls here. So I'm going to grab my lined baking tray and I'm going to transfer them over one by one. And these are the perfect party appetizer as well, like a gourmet party nibble almost. And of course, if there's any vegans in the house, you could get a vegan sausage mix as well. Change things up a little bit. And they are ready for the oven. So these get baked for about 35 to 40 minutes in our preheated oven at 200 degrees. Keep an eye on them. If they're looking really good, fully golden brown, then take them out after 30-32 minutes or so. But of course, let it finish the bake to 35 to 40 minutes if needed be. Okay, so my sausage rolls are golden brown and bubbling. The whole place is smelling delicious. With some Ballymaloe relish just to dip in, and you can just take a lovely serving board like I have here. black pudding infused sausage rolls, all thanks to the brilliant Kellys of Newport and Ballymaloe. I hope you enjoy.